Hey, it's Rob. Welcome to Axel's Garage. All right, so today we are working on our Ram pickup here because we are no longer going to be owning it. It's a lease and it's due to go back tomorrow. We got a couple things. Well, yesterday we got out here with the boys and the girls actually, and we took the bed cover and the bed liner off of it. Don't have a cameraman today, so please excuse my shaky camera work. But we took the bed cover and the bed liner out and cleaned out the bed. Actually looks pretty good. Looks pretty good in there. And then we washed the truck, but it had gotten dark, but we gave it a good wash. And today, pretty much all I'll have to do is go over it with some, some of the detailing spray, get all the spots off of it. It's real clean now. The inside's clean. Have to go for our lease inspection. This is the first time we ever leased a vehicle, so it's been 3 years, and it's still in really nice shape. The thing still smells new inside. So this thing is in really nice shape. I don't think I'm going to have any problem with the lease return, but what we do have is, I don't know if it'll come up on camera, is a little, I don't know what you call that in the windshield, a chip in the windshield, I guess you would say. We got a chip in the windshield, and it is in the view of the driver, so that is one of the things that's a no-go when you're returning a lease. And we got the glass guy, should be here any minute to replace that windshield, and while he does that, I just need to give it that good wipe down, get all those spots off of it so it looks good, and I need to replace one of these in-channel vent shades. The glue had come off about a year ago. It kind of separated and fell off, and I had it in the garage, and I got some of the double-sided tape that they use to hold them in there, and I'm getting that ready, and I'll put that in, and I think we're going to be in good shape for our end of lease inspection. I've never gone through this before, handing a lease in. You hear a lot of horror stories. They don't lease cars a lot everywhere in the country because it depends on how much you drive. For us, we're not far from, we're outside of New York City, we're in the suburbs, but we're not far from New York City, so the commute's miles wide. I mean, you might be in a car for a while, but you're only traveling 8 miles or so, or 10 miles or 15 miles. So if you don't have a huge commute, sometimes the leasing is a good option. For us, it worked out, and we're getting another one, and we'll do a video when we get that other one. The other one's pretty neat, the new one coming in. But in the meantime, we got to get this one. So we don't want to have those horror stories where they start charging you for what they consider excessive wear and tear. They give you a guideline. I have this sheet, and it gives you a guideline of what's allowable, what's not allowable. The interior is spotless, so I know I'm not going to have a problem there. The windshield is a definite no-go, so we're getting that replaced. And I'm just going to, give it a good once-over with the detailing spray and a nice microfiber cloth so it's not spotted. It looks good. They'll inspect it. They'll check everything for damage, and hopefully we'll get a clean bill of health, and it'll be returned with no extra charges. And then we'll that's Monday, so if we return it today or tomorrow morning, it's due back tomorrow. We could either return it today or tomorrow morning. I think I'm going to try to return it today, and we should have our new one by Thursday. The new one is in, it's at the dealer, and we're just working on all the dealer prep and the paperwork and all that BS, but it's already a done deal. It's there waiting for us, and hopefully we'll have it within a couple days. All right, so over here we have our back flip bed cover that is going to fit on the new one, and our bed rug bed liner. This is the tailgate piece. I got everything else in the garage and the mess in there, but the reason why I got this piece out here is because we have a wrinkle in it, and we've had this wrinkle in it forever, and I got it flattened out, sandwiched between two pieces of wood, so that hopefully it'll sit like that for a couple days before it goes in the new truck, and maybe that little wrinkle will get its way out. In the meantime, we got the vent visor, vent visor, I guess you call it. Cleaned it up really good. I used some alcohol wipes, and now I got to put the double-sided tape along it, get it to stick on this side nice. I'm going to give it one more wipe with an alcohol wipe, and then we'll do the same thing on the vehicle side. We'll clean it good and wipe it down with alcohol so that it sticks and doesn't come back out. I probably should have done this about a year ago when it first fell off, but of course I procrastinate. All right, so windshield is fixed, truck is clean, we are done. Damn, That truck looks good. We're heading over to the Lease Return Center. Never did this before. Hopefully everything works out fine. And in the next Ram update, you'll see the new one. As always, thanks for watching.